Myself, Manashri Rajendra Pimple, and I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar, Mumbai University, studying in MMS second year. Today I am here to share you some knowledge about change management and turnaround strategy. So, first we will know what is the change management. Change management is a strategy of plan and systematic change which is achieved by the influence of an organization, structure, corporate culture and individual behavior under the greatest possible partitions of the employees. Now, there are in the change model, there are two types of this. First is the Lewin's change model and Creutzfeldt-Lewin's force field model. The first is Creutzfeldt-Lewin change model. In that, there is also known as the three-step model, which is one of the cornerstones models for the understanding organizational change, was developed by the Creutzfeldt-Lewin back in 1940 and still holds the truth today. His model is known as unfreeze, change, freeze. Refers to the three-step process of change to he describes. Creutzfeldt-Lewin, a physical as well as a social scientist, explained an organizational change using the analogy of changing the shape of a block of ice. Now, this is the structure of the three-stage model: unfreezing, moving and rephrasing. Moving is also known as a change. So, first we will know what is an unfreezing. So, the unfreezing, it involves the finding a method of making it possible for the people to let go of an old pattern that was counterproductive in the same way. Unfreezing is necessary to overcome a pressure of both the individual residents and the group conformity to prepare the organization to accepting the change. Convincing the employees on why old ways was doing the things cannot continue. Now the second is a change. In change, we have to explain the benefit. For changing any procedure, we have to explain its benefit, why we are changing it. Second, prepare for the change. We always be prepared for the change which we are going to do. Third is moving to the new state. We are moving to the new state. It's like our eyes. First, communicate often. We have to communicate with others too often for doing the changes. Involved in the process, people being resolve their uncertainty and look up for the new ways to do the thing. Now, third is the rephrase. Provide support and training. Make a change permanent. Once change has been decided, you have to implement it. Celebrate the success. Now, second process is the Creutzfeldt-Lewin force field model. In that, force field analysis was created by the Creutzfeldt-Lewin in the 1940s. Lewin originally used this tool in his work as a social physiologist. Today, force field analysis is also used in business for making and communicating go, no-go decision, listening all the factors for and against your decision or change and score it, factor based on an influence. There are two ways. First, positive forces also and negative forces also. In positive way, it is a driving factor, and in the negative way, it is a distracting factor. You will see many differences. Now, turnaround strategy. Turnaround strategy means to convert change or transform a loss-making company into a profit-making company. It helps the sick company to stand once again in the market. It tries to reverse the position from deciding sales to increasing sales, from weakness to strength, and from the instability to stability. Now, why should a turnaround strategy? First, decline the market share, negative profit, falling gross and net margins, increasing the cost, decline the performance measures, low turnover, and mismanagement. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Thank you.